Surigaonons. This is a very special day not only for the Sama Bajau community but for all Surigaonons. Today, we are not just turning over houses, we are building futures. The modern Huyanan symbolizes more than just a roof over your heads. It represents dignity, security, and a fresh start of families who have long been searching a place to call home. As your mayor, I am fully committed to ensuring that every Surigaonon, regardless of background or circumstances, is provided with opportunities to live with dignity. The Sama Bajau families are an important part of our community, and today's turnover is a testament to that dedication to inclusivity and providing everyone with a chance to thrive. This house is not just a structure, it is a home where families grow, children will learn, and dreams will flourish. And our commitment does not end here. The city government will continue to work hand in hand with the Sama Bajau community to ensure that these homes are not just a beginning. We will support the access to education, health services, and livelihood opportunities so that the foundation we lay today will lead to a long-term progress for your families. Today, we build more than just houses. We build hope, we build futures, and we build unity. Salamat karadyo to everyone who made this project possible. We are proud to stand by your side as we take this meaningful step.